Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Brother Q. Please forgive me. I know y'all been waiting for these credit repair videos for the longest. So let's get straight to it. Go into Credit Karma. It's free. They show you 2 of the 3 credit reporting agencies. They don't show you all 3 of them, but you can kind of assume what's on the 3rd one. You want to go in there, organize your accounts, pull a copy of your credit report from there because it's free, and you're going to analyze it. You're going to see what's on your credit report. That's the first step. Getting out of the box of ignorance. Once you're out of the box of ignorance, you see what's on your report, I need you to organize your accounts into like 4 categories, really 3 but 4 categories. You know, accounts that are past the statute of limitation, SOL. What's the SOL? Statute of limitation. Every state pretty much has their own statute of limitation. If not the federal one, 7 years. But in Texas it's 4 years, Delaware 2 years, New York City 6 years, and a 3-year or 4-year, something like that for store cards. All you gotta do is type in your state, Florida debt collection statute of limitations, and you will know how long a debt actually is able to be pursued in your state. When I say pursue, that means they can sue you. If they can't sue you for the debt in the state, that means that debt null and void. So that's the first thing you look for, a very powerful tool. Then after that, you want to go into accounts that were put on your credit report by third-party credit agencies, credit reporting agencies, whatever. Did you take out the account with them? No, they sold it to his moms. His moms is now calling you. That lady you don't have no contract with. So what you want to do is tell her, I don't know you, lady. I have no business relationship with you, nor have I ever signed any contract stating the difference. So that's what she's going to have to do is say, no, you do have a debt with me. You look on this contract, it says that I was allowed to purchase your debt. Then you're going to say, well, in my state, the law is, and that you're going to look up your state law and find out if your state actually has laws that prohibit the sale of debt. In New York State, they prohibit that. In Texas, Florida, and I believe California. I'm not sure about California. I'm not sure. You can look it up yourself. But, you know, certain states do. And if they do have those laws, that's an immediate infraction upon the law. If they did not actually tell you, notify you, and actually have the right to buy your debt. And in New York City, most debt that's purchased is illegal. Another little footnote to note, all hospitals usually sell their debt to a real debt collection agency. And they're usually located in the same state. Just so you know that. Closed accounts. Closed accounts typically fall into like, I think 3 categories or 4. You got charged off accounts, closed accounts, and then paid off. So, or something like that, one or the other. So you can just look up types of closed account and look at what is out on your account, on your report. And after that, when you have account you refute. Account you refute, generally it might be something that was paid off a couple years ago. It might have been child support. It might have been a car loan. It might have been an accident. It might have been something that you generally just don't want somebody to know. So these are things that you want to generally dispute and get them off your report. Now, moving forward, the typical process for removing something in your report requires you having a little bit of understanding of the law.